what do I say to the computer in here to start the washing machine? I've been trying all kinds of little code words to try to get it going, like, washing machine, please fill up with water. That didn't work. Washing machine, turn on, please. Start up washing machine. Washing machine, please turn on and fill up full of water. And I'll put some detergent in there because I want to get my stinking socks. My socks smell bad, and I need you to turn on washing machine. Oh, please turn on washing machine, please. Would you please turn on and wash my stinking clothes, please? Flo, how the fuck do you turn on this washing machine?